Honey, stop the car. This is the true turnkey home you have been looking for. Meticulously maintained, fabulous upgrades, ideal floor plan, gorgeous expansive brick paver patio, and professional landscaping sunroom with shiplap that Joanna and Chip would be envious of. Feel the love and comfort from the moment you enter. Formal living and dining room for that extra entertainment space. Fantastic kitchen with granite surface, center island, stainless steel appliances and planning homework desk. Family room with brick fireplace and tons of natural light. Fabulous master suite with vaulted ceilings and private bath. Full basement ready for your finishing touches. Create the man cave or recreation space of your dreams. Pride of ownership shows here with new high-efficiency furnace, roof 2014, smart thermostat 2017, slider door 2016, garage door and opener 2013, Guardian Air Advanced Treatment System 2014, new exterior lights with auto shut-off, newer AC.